Holy shit, this is the first time this park has ever been this empty. Hello and welcome to another exciting episode of... Anyways, so the park that I go to almost every day is empty. There's no one here, and I want to fly my Gep RC Smart 35. I will be flying my Gep RC Smart 35. The last video I made with yesterday when I was here, I watched those videos. I kind of didn't like the freestyle. I was just cruising. Kind of boring to me. I might put it in the video, I might not. But I'm here to redo this whole video. Holy shit, a human just popped up. Anyways, don't really care. Gonna redo the flight. Gonna hit some more proximity. So, Tango 2, Radio Master, Ranger Nano. Radio Master, Ranger Nano on the back, ELRS Tango 2. Gep RC Smart 35 HD with a GMB 850 LiPo battery, 3S. And this is the empty park. Someone's walking there, LOL. We're gonna sesh the hell out of that playground. Usually I never get to fly this playground because there's always a lot of kids. There's always a lot of people here. Oh my god, someone's on the swings. I think I'm gonna start flying before people get here, but here I am. This is where I'm sitting. No one's here right now. People come here and play chess, but I'm here to fly the Gep RC Smart 35. Let's see how this goes. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. Recording. Is that a child? Oh, thank God. No, I gotta send it through here. Oh wow. Can I go down the slide? Oh yeah, I'm going down the slide. Whee! Oh my god, that was fun. Oh shit. Oh, whoa, dude, chill out, don't crash. The human that was on the swings, I just remembered. This is my favorite part of this area. Bar loop. Yeah. Oh man. Yeah, I really thought I was gonna hit that. Oh goodness.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
the heck is going on here? I don't know what's happening right now. Holy shit, but I just got super distracted. Okay. Completely surrounded now.